Hello everyone, my name is Parinandana from Standard 7.
Hello everyone, my name is Kainat Khan from Standard 7.
Today we are explaining kind of sentence.
There are total 4 main kinds of sentences.
Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence.
Declarative sentence, a sentence which ends with an full stop. For example, Virat Kohli is declared the man of the match. I love to eat fruits.
Second, interrogative sentence, ask question, they end with a question mark. Example, where do you find polar bears? Second, do you know what artificial intelligence is?
Imperative sentence, a sentence which expresses strong feeling, a sentence which expresses a command, suggestion or an order. For example, switch off the television, it's an command. Please put the books on the shelf, it's an request. We should play carom instead of chess, it's an suggestion.
Fourth, exclamatory sentence, express a strong, suddenly feeling and emotion, they end with the exclamation mark. Example, what an exciting trip that was. How beautiful this city is.